This is really cool, the Antigravity Chamber. They have it where water's going like upside down. He probably gives you some information. I mean, it doesn't work.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. You see your photos up on the second floor there.
Oh, press the red button or the green button to change the direction flow. Okay, let's try this. So green changes the direction flow. Oh yeah. Now it looks like it's going down. I'm not sure well that's going to be able to show on camera. See these like lines? I don't see them, but you do. When you press this button, it changes it. And then the red, to freeze the water. It's not really freezing it? Yeah. Oh yeah, it does. It stops it. The red stops it. Yeah, it looks like it's frozen in place. And then the green changes the direction.
Yeah, neat.
Look at that. Isn't that cool? It looks like it's going up. Looks like it's going up, but I feel it coming down.
Yeah, isn't that an optical illusion?
This is a really cool exhibit. I almost think the first floor here at Wonderworks is my favorite. Awesome, huh?
I love that.
You see that light on her face in front of the camera? We don't see that with the naked eye, but you see it on camera. So it's going to look a little different when you're here in person. This is really a cool thing.